Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Anas bin Jamaluddin. I represent Group 2 to present on one of the subtopics under Topic 4, which is Information Processing Service. Information processing is the manipulation of data to produce useful information. It involves capturing information in a format that can be retrieved and analyzed. Processing information involves taking raw information and making it more useful by putting it in context. In general, information processing means processing new data, which include a number of steps, namely acquiring, entering, verifying, manipulating, storing, extracting, communicating, retrieving, and discarding. Accessing and updating files in the future involve one or more of these steps. Information processing provides individuals with the basic skill to use computer to process many types of information effectively and efficiently. The term is often associated specifically with computer-based operations. In popular usage, the term information refers to facts and opinions given and received during daily life. For example, a person obtains information directly from mass media, from electronic data bank, and from all sorts of observable events around him. Someone who uses the fact and opinion produce more information, which is partly communicated to others by instruction, letter and document, and through other media. In our world technology today, there are many information processing services in place, and here we state some examples where there is information processing used, that is banking, website development, digital media, and other than that. Firstly, banking. Banking is where information processing activities are carried out in respect of financial institutions or other organizations engaged in the business of providing financial service. It can also occur when information processing activities are carried out in respect of the employer for the preparation of the employer's salary by calculating the employer's salary of wage based on the number of our work good produced, data on salary or commission rate, and other relevant information. Secondly, website development. The web processing service provides methods for standardizing input and output, request and response, for applying geospatial processing service as a web service. Web service processing standards specify how clients can request the execution of a process and how the output of that process is handled. The required data can be sent to the entire network. The web processing service can describe the computation, which is a process, including all its input and output. The trigger is implementation as a web service. From this, the customer can choose the method of it suitable for him. The specific process carried out by the web processing service is determined by the owner of the implementation. Although the web processing service is designed to work with specially referenced data, it can be used with all types of data. Another example of information processing service is digital media. Digital media is transmitted as digital data, which simply involve a digital cable or satellite that send a signal to a device for it to translate into audio, video, graphic, text, and more. When you use computer, tablet, or mobile phone, open web-based system and application, it indicates that you are using digital media. Digital media may come in the form of video, article, advertisement, music, audiobooks, virtual reality, and digital art. The digital age began to develop in this century, when computer technology slowly infiltrated various industries and then moved into the public space. This year, newspaper, magazine, radio, and broadcast television are still the primary communication tools, with fax machine becoming people's first avenue into the digital world. As the internet shifts from a special hobby to something familiar to most people, the fully digital age is underway. Nowadays, most people have at least one digital media device in their pocket, handbag, or backpack, and they often use digital communication at work, at home, while traveling, and even when out to dinner or shopping. We can also earn and transmit information through this digital media. Through digital media, we can also make money by becoming a digital media specialist. We can charge a reasonable fee for whoever uses our service. Digital media experts play an important role in the digital media job market. These versatile media professionals are able to perform a number of tasks by combining their various skills. Digital media experts can work on social media, where they can use graphic design skills to help a company. They can also use camera and writing capabilities, as well as video or audio editing capabilities for use in digital marketing campaigns. Different projects require different tasks and abilities, and digital media experts can fill a large number. As we can move forward, the use of digital media in our world will probably only increase. Commercial processing has had a huge impact on modern society. The market is becoming increasingly complex with the increasing availability of data and information. The individual and organization of a company need a good understanding of how to create, access, use, and manage important information in the work environment. People need to understand the relationship between individuals, the national and international business world, and government in order to participate constructively as consumer and producer. These general competencies must be incorporated in the employment industry within the business in order to produce a thriving business. Up to here only my presentation today, and thank you so much.